Progress is a beacon that lights up one inescapable fact. Humanity is defined by our desire for constant improvement. It is only human, this need to evolve and adapt the environment to our needs. It is the fruit of effort and the desire to excel. In leading, progress springs from customer commitment, total involvement with their needs, seeking, finding and creating mutually beneficial solutions. Leading, since its inception, has evolved with the customer to become a world leader in the development and management of metal mechanics solutions, standing at the forefront of industrial technology. Its growth and its firm commitment to meet new challenges that expand the commercial potential of the company encouraged Leading to rethink its image, believing in the possibility of an update that would create a more competitive and efficient international identity. Any business, every brand has a name. The current Group Leading Enterprises is simplified and shown only as Leading. A sufficiently recognizable name, international and powerful to function as a unified identity. The name is shown graphically in capital letters, denoting Leading's solid reputation. The selected typography is made very legible by using a universal font and leaving a slight gap between letters. On the other hand, the concept of innovation is introduced with the circular sweeps of the letters D and G, which are expanded beyond the traditional shape to include more aerodynamic curves. The name is accompanied with a commercial byline, Metal Mechanics Solutions, an annex to the name that in first place will help Leading to gain recognition in its business environment. The term is intended to assist in the launch of the brand, but as recognition increases, its purpose will fade, leaving its space within the logo for an advertising slogan. The advertising slogan should reflect the values and philosophy of Leading, the symbiotic relationship established between the company and the customer is perhaps the most outstanding feature of this philosophy. Not only are all available resources put to use, but also, if needed, new resources are tailored to meet customers' needs. In this context, the phrase, "evolving with you," perfectly sums up the interaction. Finally, the logo contains a graphic symbol that distinguishes and synthesizes the brand visually. It is what is known professionally as an isotype. If there is a phrase that can sum up what has been sought in developing the isotype, it is, "The connection between Leading and the customer projects both towards the infinite." This concept is reflected by this three-dimensional recreation of the infinity symbol, formed by the merger of two symmetrical parts, client and Leading. The isotype relies on the use of two primary colours, blue and magenta, both with strong significance. The magenta represents the client side. It is a colour with a lot of energy, symbolically associated with enthusiasm, motivation and vitality. Blue is a reflection of Leading. Blue is the colour traditionally used by the company. Its symbolism evokes rationality, control, serenity, harmony, imagination, amplitude and expansion. The versatility of the logo is designed to transcend its specific use. Forms generated in the creation of the isotope serve to establish a repertoire of graphic formulas on which to base the artistic direction and design of other corporate items, giving the visual identity unity and coherence. Leading, evolving with you. A new identity for the 21st century with which to dream about the future of a company and its story that is still being written.